In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a continuous zoom across multiple clips. We'll do this in CapCut and make the motion feel like one smooth camera move that carries through your cuts. Start by opening CapCut and heading into the editor so you can work on the timeline. Once you're in, add your videos. Bring the clips you want to use into the project, arrange them in the right order on the timeline, and trim if needed so your edits land exactly where you want them. With the sequence set, you're ready to build the zoom. Select the first clip and find the scale control. This is where we'll keyframe the zoom. With the playhead at the very beginning of the clip, add a keyframe to lock in your starting size, typically 100% if you want to start from a normal view. Next, move the playhead to the moment where you want this part of the zoom to end. A simple approach is to use the last frame of the clip so the motion continues right through the cut, but choose the exact frame that suits your timing. Now adjust the scale number to set the end of the zoom for this clip. Increasing the value creates a zoom in. Reducing it creates a zoom out. As soon as you change the scale, CapCut places a new keyframe at the playhead. Scrub back and forth to make sure the movement feels steady and intentional. Repeat the same process for the remaining two clips to keep the motion continuous. On the next clip, start by setting a keyframe at its very first frame and match the scale value to the ending value of the previous clip. This is the key to avoiding a jump at the cut. Your starting scale should equal the last scale from the prior clip. Then move the playhead to where you want that segment of the zoom to finish and change the scale again to create the next keyframe. Do the same on the third clip. Match the starting scale to the end of the second clip, then set your final end value wherever you want the zoom to conclude. Play the sequence from the start and watch the zoom glide across all clips as a single seamless move. If the motion feels too fast or slow, adjust by moving the keyframes farther apart or closer together within each clip. That's all you need to create a continuous zoom across multiple clips in CapCut.